How to fix no sound during phone call. So first go to setting. Now click on additional setting. Click on application management. Now scroll down and find phone dialer. Now click on this dialer. Now click on force stop. Tap on OK. Go back and open again another dialer. Clear cache and force stop. Go back. Now click on dual SIM and cellular data and first tap on prefect network type. Now select R2 and then back and select your SIM which you use and tap on carrier. Select your network. After that the problem easily fixed.